ladies, make a beautiful boutique hair bow with me. So for the loops, I'm going to be using 2-piece ribbon 10.5 inches across. The size of ribbon is 7/8. So for the middle bow, I will be using ribbon size 1.5 and it will be 18.5 inches across. Now for my spikes, I will be using ribbon size 7/8 and they will be 5.5 inches across each. And remember ladies, you can find this beautiful snowflake ribbon, centerpiece, alligator clip at Isela's Boutique Bows. The links will be down below. Ta-da! And we're finally done. Look how beautiful it is. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.